right, let's put out Newsbreak that's coming in. It's BJP candidate Shagun Parihar, who's apparently been heckled at a polling booth. We'll try and get more details to understand this happened at exactly in which location in JNK, but it's news that's coming in that a candidate of the BJP has been heckled at a polling booth. Let's go across to Gursimran, who's getting us the details. Gursimran, a BJP candidate heckled at a polling booth. Give us the details.
Because he tried to heckle the police officials. Earlier, it was the allegation by Shagun Parihar that she was heckled by the PDP candidate. Now, the police officials, they have also been heckled by the PD candidates. Now, the police officials, they are warning the PDP candidates not to take the law and order into the hands. These are the PDP candidates. I'll request this PDP candidate, Firdaus Tak, he is trying to charge towards the police officials. These are the visuals that you see, that the crowd has already come up here. They are also trying to charge up towards the police. We are inside the polling station. Polling station now being crowded, now been overpowered by the crowd. They are trying to break inside the polling station. These are the visuals that we are showing you from this is the Bagan Mohalla polling station, where the police officials, they have to be attempted. I'll request Sarjivan to show you the visuals of the PDP candidate who is trying to charge towards the police officials. He is threatening the police officials. Earlier there was allegations that it was he tried to heckle the BJP candidate Shagun Parihar, and now see the people, these voters, some people, they are trying to enter, jumping from the barricades, from these walls, and now the police is telling them not to answer. The law and order situation is kind of tense here, because some people even try to come out. The polling station has been closed. No one is being allowed to enter. This all started when the BJP candidate Shagun Parihar, she was heckled by the PDP candidate, and when the PDP candidate was stopped, he tried to agitate, march towards the police. Now the police has gone outside. They are trying to ensure that those people who are trying to charge inside the polling station, they are removed from this very area, because these are the visuals that we are showing you from the Bagwan Mohalla. First, it was the allegation by the BJP candidate, and then what has happened is that the PDP candidate, he tried to charge towards the police officials. The visuals that Sarjivan is showing you is from the Bagwan Mohalla in the Kishtwar polling station, and the visuals that you see, in these visuals, heavy deployment of the paramilitary forces is here. These are the visuals that we are showing you from inside the polling station. The staff of the Election Commission of India, as well as the paramilitary forces, they too have come here, and now the police officials are trying to pacify the situation. Additional paramilitary forces too have been called in. The CRPF and the SSP have also been kept on the standby. You can see that along with the riot protection gear, they have been deployed here, so that for any contingency, the situation can be contained. But yes, the situation is really simmering up, because the BJP candidate made the allegation that it was her who was heckled by the PDP candidate. Then the PDP candidate tried to charge towards the Jammu and Kashmir police as well. And now I'll request Sarjivan to show you that the BJP candidate has been kept in the security of the Jammu and Kashmir police as well as the SSP. Madam, we saw just the PDP candidate also trying to heckle the police officials. Earlier you said that you were also heckled. क्या हो रहा है?
यहाँ पे अभी मैं जब यहाँ आई थी, यहाँ पे फेक वोटिंग्स हो रही थी, बुरके में लेडीज को चेक नहीं किया जा रहा था, लेकिन मैं जब आई, मैंने कहा आप एटलीस्ट आधार कार्ड, जो आपका इलेक्शन कार्ड है उसमें भी आपकी फोटो नहीं, तो मैंने मैम से कहा, मैंने खुद नहीं चेक किया, फिर उन्होंने बोला ये इलेक्शन कार्ड है। इलेक्शन कार्ड उनका 2014 का था, उसमें उनकी फोटो, मतलब जो शादी हो गई है तो 2 जगह वोट हो पड़ रहा है उनका इस हिसाब से, तो मैंने उस पर भी कुछ नहीं कहा। ये मैम यहाँ पे खड़ी हैं, ये भी मोहम्मदन है, यहाँ सब चीज़ें इजीली हो रही थी, लेकिन वो यहाँ आए, उन्होंने बोला हमारे कैंडिडेट के पास अगर स्लिप नहीं है वो तब भी अंदर जाएगा, और उन्होंने ये चीज़ बोली, और उसके बाद उन्होंने मुझे धक्के मारने, उन्होंने मुझे कहा आप पढ़ी लिखी हैं, आप कैसी पढ़ी लिखी हैं, तो उन्होंने मुझे धक्के मारने की कोशिश की। वो ड्रिंक करके थे, वो स्मोक करके थे।
So the allegations being made by the BJP that they try to heckle the situation inside, they see this now, the candidates of the PDP, they are trying to heckle the police officials as well and the paramilitary officials. These are the visuals that you see that the BJP workers too have arrived inside, and I'll request Sarjeevan if he can show you the visuals that it is the BJP workers have also arrived. They are now objecting to the conduct of the BJP. Now once again you see on that side also the PDP workers, they are trying to heckle the BJP workers. The BJP workers arrived, tried to object to what they have been doing. Now the police is trying to pacify the situation, but the elections in the Kishtwar, they have taken an ugly turn couple of minutes back when the BJP candidate, she alleged that it was her who was allegedly heckled by the BJP, by the PDP leaders, and now even we saw in the visuals they even tried to heckle the police officials. The security has been beefed up. You see the police and the paramilitary forces, they are trying to pacify the situation. It is inside the police station. The ECI officials are also here. BJP candidate Shagun Parihar too has been taken to side by the paramilitary forces so that the situation can be contained. You will see on the entire forces, the forces deployment has been done, be it the deployment of the paramilitary forces or the Jammu and Kashmir police. They are trying to pacify the situation. They are trying to ensure that there is no law and order situation. But what it seems for now, that this has become a battleground, at least for now, that the PDP candidates, they are up in arms against each other. They are saying that it is the other side that resorted to the heckling the other candidate. The police officials, they have called the additional forces here also. Now there are allegations that they are also trying to heckle those recording the videos as well. It's Firdosh Chak of the PDP candidate on whose the allegations have been made that he was consuming, even as per the BJP candidate, that he was in consumption of the drugs, she said, or alcohol. She made the now the police is trying to contain the situation. The additional paramilitary forces deployment that has been done outside as well. The police is now trying to move out the PDP candidates. The PDP candidates are being moved out now from the polling station. These are the visuals that you are seeing. Now the PDP candidate is speaking on the situation, what has happened.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को मालूम है कि उनकी नीतियां, उनकी करतूतें जो है लोगों के सामने हैं, और डेलिबरेटली जो मुस्लिम मेजॉरिटी पोलिंग स्टेशंस हैं वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट की जा रही हैं ताकि पोलिंग कम हो। ये सारा उसी का गेम प्लान है, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली पुलिस इज प्लेइंग एन एक्टिव रोल इन इट। पुलिस जो है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की एजेंट बन के इस वक्त काम कर रही है।
सर, आप पे एलिगेशन है कि आपने हैकल किया है बीजेपी?
ये आपके एलिगेशन है, ये आपका चैनल है, ये आप कह रहे हैं।
सर, उन्होंने कहा है, आप जवाब दीजिए।
मैंने सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कैंडिडेट को रोका। मैंने उनको कहा कि शी डजंट हैव एन अथॉरिटी टू चेक द आइडेंटिटी कार्ड ऑफ ए वोटर, और वो भी उनको गालियां निकाल के धक्का मार के लेडी वाज
चेकिंग द आईडी कार्ड ऑफ वोटर।
नॉट ओनली चेकिंग, वो धक्का मार रही थी, गेट आउट ऑफ हियर, हु इज शी टू डू इट? अगर उनको कोई कंप्लेंट है, द ओनली थिंग शी कैन डू इज लॉज अ कंप्लेंट विद द प्रिजाइडिंग ऑफिसर। उसके अलावा, और मैंने उनको बार बार ये कहा, मैंने कहा देखिए मैडम, आप मेरी बहन की तरह है, मेरी बेटी की तरह है, आप अंदर आइए, अगर आपको कोई ऑब्जेक्शन है आप प्रिजाइडिंग ऑफिसर से बात करिए। लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ पे बीजेपी के गुंडे अंदर घुसे, उन्होंने हमारे वर्कर्स को हैकल किया, और जब मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट किया, मैं बार बार पुलिस को कहता रहा कि इन लोगों को बाहर निकालिए, ये यहाँ का माहौल खराब कर रहे हैं। लेकिन बीजेपी के एक ऑर्डिनरी वर्कर तक पुलिस जो है वो बाहर नहीं निकाल। लेकिन उसके बाद यहाँ के एक सीनियर पुलिस ऑफिसर ने डायरेक्ट मुझे न सिर्फ असॉल्ट किया, ह्यूमिलेट किया। मैं आई एम गोइंग टू रजिस्टर अ केस अगेंस्ट हिम for misuse of his power and playing an active role as an agent of the Bharatiya.
He said that you try to charge towards police also.
आपके सामने है, वीडियोस बनी हुई हैं, मैं सामने खड़ा हूँ, 10 बार मुझे धक्का दे रहा है, मैं उसको रोक रहा हूँ। मैंने कहा यार आप क्यों मुझे धक्का दे रहे हो? And suddenly he attacked me. और the only reason was कि मैं उसको बार बार कह रहा था कि आपसे हो नहीं रहा है इन एजेंट्स को बाहर निकालने के लिए.
So the PDP saying that it is the BJP who did actually try to stop the voters, but now these are the visuals that we are showing you from the ground zero, that the deployment of the forces has been increased, and the visuals that you are seeing that now the candidates, the PDP candidate has been removed out from the premises, from the polling station. The BJP candidate is still inside the security, the security of the paramilitary forces as well as the security of the Jammu and Kashmir police. The visuals Sarjeevan is showing you, these are from inside the polling station where the security has been beefed up by the organization. I'll request the police officials to open the door so that Sarjeevan can come inside. And now the polling, they are trying to resume polling, but in the rapid action force gears, you will see that the deployment has been beefed up and the forces have been kept on the standby. Now they are trying to resume the voting. These voters, they are coming here. These are the visuals of the voters, but the police is asking them to queue up so that their identity can be checked, and only then they will be allowed to cast their votes. A high voltage drama has been witnessed in last 25 to 30 minutes, where we are witnessing that the first allegations made by the BJP candidates, then we saw the PDP candidate charging towards the police, trying to heckle the police officials, and now what he's saying that it was police first who assaulted him and he's going to file a complaint against the police officials. But outside this, you will see that the supporters of the PDP candidate, they have gathered here in large numbers. What these supporters are doing, they are chanting the slogans in his favor, but the police and the administration, they are trying to resume the voting that was halted for roughly 30 minutes because it's been a massive hue and cry that was witnessed here. First, it was Shagun Parihar who made the allegation that she was assaulted, and now we have seen that these PDP candidates, the senior police officials, see, I'll request Sarjeevan to keep showing you the visuals, that the police officials, they are trying to enter from the other side because the doors have been closed. This official was the one to whom side it was the Firdaus Tak tried to charge. He's coming and trying to ensure that the voting is resumed, because for the last 25 minutes, the high voltage drama that we have witnessed here, the voting was stopped. The voting was stopped for the reason that there was a first allegation by the BJP candidate. Then we saw the PDP candidate charging towards the police. He tried to assault the police also. Now he has been moved out of the polling station. The allegation that he is making is that he was first assaulted by, and he's saying that he's going to lodge a formal complaint against the police officials who tried to heckle. He is making the allegations that the BJP is using the police machinery, while the first claim that came was from the BJP candidate Shagun Parihar, that she has been assaulted. What she also said, that some of the candidates that we saw, some of the candidates, they were going inside, they were wearing the burqa. When she tried to ask them for their identity card details, they were not having those details. They said that all those details, they were not sufficient enough that makes them be an authentic voter of this very area. And she said that the PDP candidates tried to heckle her, though she was stopped by the police officials, but police officials too were assaulted. And even when we were doing the live reporting, we saw the PDP candidates, he was trying to charge towards the police, though he was stopped by the Central Armed Police Forces. And now you will see that the officials from the Sashastra Seema Bal, they have been put on the alert. They are active, they are in the rapid protection mode, rapid protection gear. They have already been installed, and now entire area has been put on alert. You see on the outer ring, you will see a massive deployment of the forces. It is the deployment of the Jammu and Kashmir police as well as the Central Armed Police Force, ITBP, SSP. Now the forces, they are trying to resume the elections. I'll request Sarjeevan to show you that once again an attempt is being made so that the election conduct can be resumed. Now the voters are going inside to cast their votes. The voting has resumed. I'll request Sarjeevan to show you that these are the votings have once again resumed. after the allegations that were made by the BJP candidates, there was a hue and cry, and then it was the PDP candidate who tried to assault the police officials. Though the allegation he has made is that the police officials assaulted him, he is going to file an FIR. But now once again, the long queues are being witnessed outside the polling stations. I'll request Sarjeevan to show you that inside the polling is going on. Outside here on this side, if Sarjeevan can show you that the long queues are being witnessed. Once again, the voters are being allowed to come inside and to cast their vote. It has been roughly 25 to 30 minutes of high voltage drama that has taken place inside the Bhagwan Mohalla polling station in the Kishtwar district, and even now we are witnessing the heavy deployment of the forces that has been done outside this very place. The BJP candidate is also here, and we will be continuing with this rolling coverage right from the ground zero in the Kishtwar district. Yes.